Hi students. So in the last lecture we have seen the problem on decision theory or decision under uncertainty. So there are a number of criteria. We have seen the criteria. So today we will take one more problem on these criteria, but here some strategy and event are in the row and column. There is a mismatch here. So a farmer wants to decide which of the three crops he should plant on his 100-acre farm. The profit from each is dependent on rainfall during the growing season. The farmer has categorized the amount of rainfall as a high, medium, and low. His estimate profit is shown in the table below. Okay. So if farmer wishes to apply one crop, decide which should be his best crop using these criteria. So here Maximax, Maximin, Hurwitz, Laplace and Minimax are great criteria. So these criteria are given. Now here farmer want to decide one crop and he has categorized the rainfall as high, medium and low. So here we can say this is a crop A, crop B and crop C. These crop, from these three crops he want to select one crop based on the rainfall. If the rainfall is high, which crop he should select? Rainfall is medium, then which crop he should select? And rainfall is low, then which crop he should select? So here in the previous problem we have seen that we are taking the strategies here. So S1, S2, S3, these are the strategy, or we are having the decision making here at this point. So we can consider what is in our hand. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हमारे हाथ में क्या है, हम कौन सा पॉसिबल आउटकम सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे स्ट्रेटेजी आएगी. और event, here we have taken the E1, E2 and E3. So what are the event in the previous problem? That is a sale. कितना sale था? That is the event. That is not in our hand. So here if we check in this case, if there is a strategy S1, S2 and S3 means high rainfall or medium rainfall or low rainfall, that is not in our hand. But what is in our hand? We have to select crop A or crop B or crop B. So this is in our hand. हम select कर सकते हैं कि हमें crop कौन सा करना है. हम ये नहीं सिलेक्ट कर सकते कि रेनफॉल ज़्यादा होगा, मीडियम होगा या लो होगा. सो अगेन वी हैव टू revise this problem. So we have to take the strategies here in this we can say here strategy instead of this high, low and medium rainfall. So here we will take a crop A, here we will take crop B, crop C, and similarly here we will take a high, medium and low rainfall. According to these values are going to change. So I will revise this matrix, we can say, or the problem by strategies and the event. So here I will revise this. Okay. So here in this case, if you check now here the crop A, crop B and crop C. So here crop A 8,000, 4,500 and 2,000. So here we have taken in the horizontal way 8,000, 4,500 and 2,000. Similarly crop B. So crop B values, these are the 3,500, 4,500 and 5,000. Similarly crop C. So these are the value 5,000, 5,000 and 4,000. So we have rearranged the problem according to the strategies. So we are taking strategy at this side and event at this side. So strategy, what is in our hand, that is a strategy. Which crop we are selecting, that is a strategy. And events, these are the high, medium and low rainfall. Now we can solve the problem by the different criteria. So what is the first criteria? First criteria is asked as a maximax. I will check. The first criteria is a maximax criteria. So here I will solve the first criteria, max criteria. Now in like a previous problem we are focusing on, so first we are focusing on this second part, max. This is the first part max, second also is max. So for crop A, crop B and crop C, so we are looking for the maximum. So in the crop A, maximum is 8,000, 4,500 and 2,000. So in this 8,000 is a maximum. So for crop A, 8,000 is a maximum. Then crop B, 5,000 is a maximum. And for crop C, the 5,000 is again maximum. So here for A there is a 8,000, for B there is 5,000 and for C there is a 5,000. So we have calculated this second part, maximum. Now from this maximum we are looking for again maximum. So from these 8,000 is a maximum, so the farmer may select crop A according to maximax principle or maximax criteria. Okay, then second criteria which is asked in the problem is maxi mean criteria. So I will write here second criteria name is maxi mean criteria. So here again we are looking the second part, minimum. So for crop A, crop B and crop C. So crop A, what is the minimum value? So for crop A 2,000 is a minimum value. Then for crop B the minimum value is 3,500 and for crop C the minimum value is this 4,000. Okay. So this we have calculated for second criteria maximin. So maximin we are looking for this second part minimum first. Now we have calculated this minimum part. From this minimum part, now we are looking for a maximum value. So 2000, 3500 and 4000. So 4000 is a maximum value. So here this is for crop C. So for this type of criteria crop C. So farmer may select crop C according to maximin criteria. Okay, then third criteria which is asked is Hurwitz criteria, or formal degree of optimism is being 0.6. So Hurwitz criterion alpha value is 0.6 given here. So for Hurwitz criteria we know we have to calculate prepare one table. So this is a table we have to prepare. So in that table we have to use this act, or we can say the strategies here, S1, S2, S3, and here crop A, crop B and crop B, these are the strategy. So for that we are calculating maximum value, minimum value. For crop A, what is the maximum? For crop A, 8000 is a maximum and 2000 is a minimum. So 8000, 2000 is written here. For crop B, 5000 and 3500, these are the maximum and minimum value. And crop C, 5000 and 4000 minimum value. And we know that H relation is alpha into maximum plus 1 minus alpha into minimum. So alpha value is given in the problem 0.6 into maximum value is 8000 plus, so here 0.6 into 8000 plus 1 minus 0.6 into 2000, because 2000 is the minimum value and this is the formula. If you solve this, you will get the value 5600. Similarly, for the second, 0.6 into 5000 plus 1 minus 0.6 into 3500. Okay, 3500 is a minimum. I will check for crop B minimum value, yeah, 3500. So 3500. So we will get the answer 4400. Similarly, 0.6 into 5000 plus 1 minus 0.6 into 4000, you will get the 4600. Now from this selected value we are looking for a maximum value. So here maximum is for 5600 for crop A. So according to Hurwitz criteria, crop A should be selected. According to Hurwitz criteria, crop A should be selected. Then next criteria which is asked by the Laplace criteria. Now Laplace is nothing but the giving the equal weightage. So next criteria, I think it is criteria number 4, that is Laplace criteria is used. So Laplace criteria gives the equal weightage for each A, B and C crop. So how to calculate this? So we are taking the average. So 8000 plus 4500 plus 2000. So that is a crop A divided by 3. So I will use another color. So here 8000, 4500 and 2000. So 8000 plus 4500 plus 2000, and we are taking the average of this. So here if you solve this, you will get the average of 4833.33. Similarly, for a second crop B, so crop B we are taking average of 3500, 4500 and 5000. So crop B 3500 plus 4500 plus 5000, and we are taking average of these three. So we will get the average is here 4333.33. Similarly for crop C, now for crop C 5000, 5000 and 4000, these are the value. So we will take average, that is 5000 plus 5000 plus 4000, that will be 14000 divided by 3. So that is 4666.66. So this is answer by the crop A, crop B and crop C by the Laplace criteria. So from this we are getting the maximum value here 4833. So that is for a crop A. So we will select the crop A according to the Laplace criteria. And last criteria which is asked as a regret criteria or minimax regret criteria. It is called as minimax regret criteria. So for that we have to prepare first a regret table. So how to prepare regret table? So here we are having the strategies here S1, S2, S3, and these are the events E1, E2 and E3. So we are taking the highest value from the event. So event highest value 8000, and subtract all the values from that 8000. So 8000 minus 8000, then 8000 minus 3500 and 8000 minus 5000. Similarly for event 2 maximum is 5000. So here 5000 minus 4500, here 5000 minus 4500, here 5000 minus 5000. Similarly for the last, here 5000 is maximum. So 5000 minus 2000, then here 5000 minus 5000 and 5000 minus 4000. So here we have to prepare a regret table or regret payoff table. And if you do this calculation, so we will get the regret table is this. So here 8000 minus 8000 0, 8000 minus 3500 4500, then 8000 minus 5000, that is 3000. Similarly for a medium and similarly for the low. So here we have calculated, this is a, we can say the regret table. So this table we have calculated as called as a regret table. So what do you mean by regret? Regret is nothing but, रिग्रेट का मतलब है अगर हम यही सेल, अगर रेनफॉल हाई हो गया, अगर रेनफॉल हाई है इसमें और उस टाइम पे हमने अगर क्रॉप ए सिलेक्ट कर दिया तो हमें 8000 प्रॉफिट मिलेगा। पर अगर रेनफॉल हाई हो गया और उस ईयर हमने क्रॉप बी सिलेक्ट कर दिया तो हमारा कितना लॉस होगा? तो 8000 प्रॉफिट हमें मिलने वाला था, लेकिन हमने क्रॉप बी सिलेक्ट किया तो 3500 ही प्रॉफिट मिला, मतलब इतना रिग्रेट हो गया। ओके, सो 4500। सिमिलरली अगर उस टाइम हमने क्रॉप सी सिलेक्ट किया तो हमें मिलने वाला था 8000, अगर हम ये सिलेक्ट करते मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट ये मिलने वाला था, लेकिन हमने क्रॉप सी सिलेक्ट किया तो हमें 5000 ही प्रॉफिट मिला, मतलब 3000 हमारा रिग्रेट रहा। अगर हमने 8000 सिलेक्ट कर लिया और हाई क्रॉप हो गया, हाई रेनफॉल हो गया, तो हमारा रिग्रेट कुछ नहीं है, मतलब हमारा लॉस कुछ होने वाला नहीं है। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज रिग्रेट। सिमिलरली वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग रिग्रेट फॉर event 2 and a regret for event 3. So these are the regret. Now this is regret criteria, or it is also called as a mini max regret. So first we are calculating the maximum regret. So for crop A, crop B and crop C. Now in the crop A, maximum regret is a 3000. Then in the crop B, maximum regret is a 4500, and in the crop C, maximum regret is a 3000. So here 3000, 4500 and 3000. Now we have selected this maximum regret, and from maximum regret we are looking for a minimum. So now here 3000, 4500 and 3000, we are looking for a minimum. So here 3000 is minimum, so that is for crop A or crop C. So by this regret criteria we can select, or that farmer can select crop A or crop C, because both the crops will give the 3000 is a payoff. So he can select the 3000, or this 3000 means crop A or crop C. So this is the answer by using the regret criteria. Now if we check the answer for each criteria, so maximax it will select crop A, maximin it will select crop C. By this Hurwitz criteria, crop A, Laplace criteria crop A, and regret criteria or minimax regret criteria crop A or crop C. So this is the answer of the problem. Thank you.